The State Food Testing Laboratory, Commissionerate of Food Safety, Health and Family Welfare Department yesterday celebrated the World Food Safety Day at Pasture Laumali. The theme for this year was Prepare for the Unexpected. Speaking to the media, Wadamika Lingdo, Deputy Commissioner of Food Safety Technical, said that this day is celebrated and dedicated to raising awareness on food safety. The prime objective of the day is to engage the individual, community, organization and to underscore the necessity of food safety in order to achieve sustainable development goals.
Basically, the prime objective of the day is to engage individual, community, organization, and this is done to underscore the necessity of food safety in order to achieve sustainable development goals. And we assure you that from the department, we will abide by the theme, Prepare for the Unexpected, which means that we will focus on prevention, we will focus on detection and management so that we can cater to the health and well-being of our citizens.
The Member Secretary of Meghalaya Pollution